BrandChildren's Factory. ColorAlmond. ColorAlmond. MaterialNon-toxix recyclable LLPDE. Product dimensions 15dx15wx15h. 3-in-1 kids chair or table. When Children's Factory initially launched our cube chairs, they were an immediate hit. This chair offers you 3 options for the price of one. Use on one side for smaller toddlers, then turn the chair upside down as your kids grow for a higher seat. 7 or 9 seating heights. The third option is to turn the cube chair on its side for use as an activity table or a seat for adults. Cube chairs are made from durable yet lightweight LLPDE material, so you can easily move the fun from indoors to outdoors. Corners are gently rounded for safety. Perfect for in-home learning. It's extremely common for parents to be homeschooling their kids while daycares and schools are closed. Setting up a kid-sized activity table or desk with chairs will help normalize the lives of your children, so you can attempt to keep their school learning on track while you work from home. Optional EDUTRAY transforms chair into desk. The EduTray, sold separately Amazon item B003W4SK04, can be added to the cube chair to quickly transition this piece from a fun playroom chair into a homeschooling desk. The EduTray collapses in seconds and packs away neatly in small spaces when study time is over. Top reviews from the United States. It is worth every penny. I thought this little chair was expensive when I initially ordered it. I was wrong. It is worth every penny. Listen, I love my 4-year-old son, but he is a monster. He is practically a force of nature, a whirling terror, a sleepless juggernaut tirelessly crushing all in its path. It is impossible to fully describe the extent to which my son has abused this chair. The chair remains unfazed. It has been sat on in every possible orientation, perched on like a bird, jumped on, jumped off of, throw at things, had things thrown at it, kicked, and spilled on, but it still looks the same as the day it was removed from the box. It is sturdy, stable, easy to clean, and durable. I can't recommend it enough. 5 stars.